How to set or manage reminders on my Fitness app. Firstly, open the app. This will take a few minutes to open. After that, move to the profile. Click on the circle which is present at right top corner. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Scroll this bar, click on the reminders here. You can add your reminders of breakfast, lunch, dinner and weekly on Mondays. In this way, you can add your reminders on my Fitness app and you can manage that. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.